Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. In today's video, you will get how to use used to in sentences correctly. We use used to for past habits and for past traits. Okay, you will get the clear explanation. Stay with me till the end. Used to for past habits and for past traits. At first, we will see the past habits. I used to wake up early. Now I sleep in. Okay. Used to, remember, used to follows one base form of verb. When you use used to, it expresses past habits. This means I woke up early in the past. Now I don't. Now I sleep in. Okay. She used to go to the beach every summer. Used to follows base form of go. She used to go to the beach every summer. This means she went to the beach every summer. Regularly, she went to the beach. Okay? Now, she doesn't. He used to play the piano every evening. Used to play. Verb 1, best form of verb. Use, that means he played the piano every evening. He played the piano regularly every evening. Now he doesn't. She used to live in Mumbai before moving to Delhi. She lived in Mumbai in the past. Now he lives in Delhi. They used to play cricket every weekend. They used to play, best form of verb, right? They used to play. This means they played cricket regularly every weekend. Okay? Now they don't. There we use used to for past habits. Remember, used to follows base form of verb, and when we use used to for past habits, all verbs are action verbs. Then come to past states. She used to be very shy, but now she is confident. She used to be verb. It is one stative verb, past states. That means she was very shy in the past, but now she is confident. He used to believe in ghosts when he was a child. Used to for past habits and for past states, used to plus verb 1. Used to follows verb 1, base form of verb, right? He used to believe in ghosts when he was a child. This means he believed in ghosts regularly. He believed in ghosts in the past when he was a child. Belief shows the state of mind. Okay? It is one stative verb. She used to be a teacher before she became a writer. She was a teacher in the past before she became a writer. Now she is a writer. Okay? She was a teacher in the past. Now she is a writer. There used to be a small park near my house. Used to be a small park. It says, it expresses something existed, right, in the past. But now there is not any park. Okay? There used to be a small park. That means there was a park, small park in the past. Now there is not any park. There may be any another thing, maybe any apartment. Okay? I used to like tea, but now I don't like. Okay? Be. All are stative verbs. I used to like tea, but now I don't. That means I liked tea in the past. Now I don't. There we use used to. For past states, we use the verbs, all are stative verbs. Okay? But the verb forms are base form of a verb. Right? I hope you understand the difference, the past habits and past tense. Understand how to use used to in sentences correctly. Keep practicing to improve your English skills. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.